This question is from Soma Malya Prabhu. He asks, Hare Krishna Guruji. Nowadays, so many people are suffering from many health problems. Is it possible to solve their problems by meditation? How Bhagavad Gita helps to solve health problems? Kindly explain.
Thank you, Prabhu, asking such a very, very important question. Actually, Bhagavad Gita will definitely solve all the problems, both physical and mental health. So there is no doubt about it. Because with Bhagavad Gita knowledge only, we know that we have to control our diet. Many times in the past, I quoted that sloka Krishna said in the 6th chapter, Na ati asnatastu yogosti nachaikanta manasnataka nacha ati swapna silasya jagrato naiva charjana. One should not eat too much, one should not eat too little, one should not sleep too much, one should not sleep too little. So if we just follow this one sloka, what Krishna is saying, if we just follow, we will not have any physical health problems. All problems will be gone. Krishna is asking us to eat only food in the mode of goodness. Don't eat food in the mode of passion. Katvamila lavana ati ushna tikshna ruksha vidahinaga aharaga rajasasyeshtaga dukkha sokamaya pradaga. So the foods that are too salty, sour, very, very hot, all such foods, they are all which are like by the people in the mode of passion. So such foods cause distress, misery, and disease. So that's what dukkha soka maya pradhan. So whereas food in the mode of goodness increases the duration of life, purifies one's existence, and gives strength, health, happiness, and satisfaction. And such foods are pleasing to the heart. So that's what foods that are juicy, fatty, pleasing to the heart. So such foods are very important. Fatty means we should not think that the fat what we are eating. So here it's healthy. That's what there are also good fat. So we need to understand. So आयु सत्व बल आरोग्यम सुख प्रीति विवर्धनाग रस्याग स्निग्धाग स्थिराग आगाराग हृदयाग आगाराग सात्विक प्रियाग. So that's what Krishna is teaching. So if we eat such food in the mode of goodness, and if we are able to control our diet, both eating and sleeping, if we are able to control, then we will not have any health problems at all. And if we follow yogasana like Surya Namaskar, and as Krishna is saying that they are also yajnas, so performing asanas also, and also pranayama parayanaga. That's what Krishna says in the 4th chapter we already studied. So that is the breathing exercise. So if we do all these things, so everything, if you follow Bhagavad Gita, if you follow your asanas, yogas, pranayama, and food, everything, we will not have any physical health problems. And if we chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, then we will not have any mental health problems also. Nobody will go to a psychiatrist if he chants Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. If a person develops attachment to Krishna, then there is no need to go to psychiatrist, because Arjuna was in such a difficult condition that no doctor could have saved. We think that here a doctor can save everything. No, this Bhagavad Gita can save. That's what is very important. If we have the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, we can prevent all diseases. We can prevent all problems. So we will, first of all, now we need to understand that stress is the leading cause of all problems. All our health problems, the main leading cause is the stress. So that is when we are stressed out, our sympathetic nervous system gets activated. When our sympathetic nervous system is very active, then our heart rate will rise, our blood pressure will rise, our digestion system will be screwed up, and a lot of issues, a lot of problems. Our health we will have all kinds of health problems. Whatever we eat, it won't digest, and all kinds of problems we will have. But if we study Bhagavad Gita, depend on Krishna, chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, and don't worry about anything, so then all the time our parasympathetic nervous system will be active. So at that point of time, our heart rate will be normal. We will have very good digestion. Our digestion system will work very well, and our blood pressure will be normal. Everything will be normal. So that way, for your question, Bhagavad Gita, yes, it really solves all our health problems. First of all, it will make sure that we won't even get any health problems with the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhu. A wonderful explanation by quoted from Bhagavad Gita's versions, and I'm very happy that by your explanation, so I understood. For each and every problem, there is a solution from Bhagavad Gita. So we have to believe that. So whomever meeting, just I am explaining for all your problems. Bhagavad Gita will give the answer. So I'm explaining to my friends and relatives, just read the Bhagavad Gita and listen the Bhagavad Gita. So in this way, I'm explaining to spreading with this Bhagavad Gita. Thank you, Prabhu. I'm enlightening for the last 4 months, and I will be continuing this session forever, because it is very, very interesting by listening your lessons, because all the problems is giving solutions by this lesson. Whatever we are facing day-to-day life problems, also we are getting answers by this Bhagavad Gita. So thank you, Prabhu. Thank you for this wonderful service. We are always grateful to you. Thank you, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.